I asked Steam Deck owners a simple question. Which Steam Deck model are you actually using? And honestly, the results surprised me. It's ROM B360. So I made a community post asking which Steam Deck you guys own. And I got way more responses than I expected. But I think this info might be helpful for you to choose which Steam Deck you should get if you haven't got one already. And after going through all the replies, there are some really clear patterns. On a side note, I will share my experience at the end as well. So first of all, the OLED model is definitely the most popular. I saw a lot of people saying they have the 1TB OLED and some even call it the best version available right now. But when it comes to why people chose OLED, a few things keep coming back. Battery life is a big one, and a lot of people said that alone made it worth it. And then there's the screen. Even though some people said the difference isn't huge, they still prefer OLED overall, and some comments were just simple, like saying they don't regret it at all. But what actually surprised me is how many people are still using the LCD version, because it's definitely not outdated, and a lot of people said they bought it because it was cheaper or they got it during a sale. And honestly, a lot of them are still really happy with it. As they said, it does everything they need. One thing that stood out a lot is how many people are upgrading their Steam Deck, especially the SSD. I saw people going from 64GB to 256GB all the way up to 1 or even 2TB. And again, this isn't just my opinion, this is based on what a lot of people in the community are actually saying. Also, a lot of people are not just using it for Steam games. I saw comments about emulation, like PS2 and PS3 games, and people having hundreds of games installed. So for many people, this is basically their main gaming device. And then there are just the personal reasons. Some people said they love their Steam Deck, others mentioned nostalgia. And some were just very honest, saying they picked whatever fit their budget. And I think that's what makes this interesting. Everyone uses it a bit differently. In my experience, I've owned both the Steam Deck LCD and OLED model, as I started up with the Steam Deck LCD and later on upgraded to the Steam Deck OLED. Personally, when purchasing the Steam Deck OLED, I didn't expect the upgrade to make such a difference, of course besides the screen. But when I first got my hands on the OLED model, I was very pleased with all the major and small upgrades, from the screen to the battery life, ergonomics and more. But honestly, if you have a tight budget and just want to get into PC gaming on the go, I do think that the Steam Deck LCD still holds enough value to buy it. Of course, if they are available, but that's a whole different topic. Anyway, if they are available and you want a bit more and have some extra cash, do go for the OLED model, because you won't be disappointed. So yeah, overall most people are choosing the OLED model right now, but the LCD version is still very popular and a lot of people are upgrading anyway. So in the end, there isn't really one perfect choice. It mostly comes down to what you value more. However, it's interesting to see what most people are actually choosing. But I'm curious, which one are you using right now? Let me know in the comments, and if this was helpful, you know what to do.